Hey guys, good morning! In my last video I deadheaded the butterfly bushes, which resulted in lots of really good smelling dried flowers. These are ideal for creating natural potpourri. This way I can enjoy the sweet smell of butterfly bushes for longer and even inside my house. So I was thinking we can create the potpourri together today. What you need for this project is the old cut flowers, a bowl of your choosing, and a pair of scissors. I chose this bowl for the project as I love it so much. It is a hand-carved coconut shell I received for my birthday and it is ideal for this project. The rest is pretty straightforward. Prepare the bowl and start cutting the flowers into small pieces. I usually cut off the leaves as they don't have any smell and they just take up space in the bowl. You can add different dry plants as well, for example thyme or lavender, for an even better combination of smells. And that's pretty much it. Enjoy! I would really like to see your versions of the potpourri, guys, so if you did this project, make sure to take a picture and leave a link in the comment section below. If you also tried this project, please let me know what plants are you using. If you have any questions, make sure to leave a comment and like this video. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one. Have a great day, guys!